Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am glad to see you. And if you already watch my videos, thank you so much for coming again. Today we are talking about something very important, how to stay safe when you are hiring someone on Fiverr. Fiverr is a great website to find freelancers and for your work. But sometimes there can be problems. In this video, I will share some red flags, signs that show you should be careful or maybe not hire that person. And before we start, please check the description below. I always add useful links, updates and more information there. If something changes or I have something new to share, it will be in the description below. So let's begin. When you are searching for a freelancer on Fiverr, everything may look good at first, but not all gigs are as good as they seem. Some sellers may promise more than they can do. Some may try to trick new buyers, so you must be careful. When a seller has no reviews and also no clear work sample, it's okay to try new sellers sometimes, but if they don't show you anything they made before, it's risky. Always look for examples of past work. Another thing to watch out for is when the gig description is too short or unclear. If you don't understand what they are offering, it can lead to problems later. Good sellers explain their services clearly. Also, be careful if a seller sends you copy-paste message. If they don't answer your question properly or just keep repeating the same line, that's a sign they are not really paying attention. Next thing is, watch how they talk to you. If a seller is rude, pushy or tries to rush you to place an order without answering your questions, that's a big red flag. Good freelancers always want to help you understand before you buy. Sometimes sellers offer too much for a very cheap price. That may sound good, but it's not always real. If someone says they will do everything for just $5 or $10, you should ask, how is that possible? Maybe they are not being honest, or maybe the quality will be bad. Another red flag is when they ask you to go outside of Fiverr to talk or pay. This is not allowed and is very risky. Fiverr cannot help you if you do it outside of the platform. Finally, the seventh and the last red flag is always check the delivery time. If it's too fast, like one day for a big project, think again. Quality work takes time. So if it's too fast and too cheap, it might not be good. So these are the main red flags to watch out for when you are hiring someone on Fiverr. It's not about being scared, just be smart. There are many good freelancers on Fiverr and you can find the right one if you take a little care. Before you place an order, ask questions, check reviews, read the gig carefully and always follow your gut feelings. If something feels wrong, maybe it is. And once again, please check the description below. I have added helpful links and tips. If you want updates or more videos like this, subscribe and hit the bell icon too. Thanks for watching, stay safe and I will see you in the next video.